Happy New Year, everyone. So here we are, January 3rd, at the start of 2023. I know we're all going to have trouble getting used to writing that. It takes a year to get used to it, and then it changes. But at the start of every year, something happens, and it's tax filing. It's tax time. And how does that impact individuals who are going through an immigration process? It is a really important thing to be aware of to make sure you're filing on time. And there's a lot of intersections with tax filing and immigration that you should be aware of. I'm already seeing on all of our social media channels individuals asking questions about whether or not they can include their spouse if their spouse is not yet a lawful permanent resident. And can I or should I put all of my dependents on the tax return now that my wife and I are married and we have stepchildren? How to navigate certain things like that. And I am not a tax expert, but I'd like to give you a few tips on how it intersects with immigration. And then also I want to invite all of you to please let us know what are your questions, because on the Navigating Love and Immigration podcast, we're actually going to have a tax professional, someone who is an expert who can answer your questions. So just a few quick tips. Make sure you file your taxes early, because immigration at this time of year will start sending a request for evidence. Don't panic, that's normal. They need to get updated financials, but it is important that you're filing your taxes early, that you're filing them correctly. That of course, that makes sense. So it's really important to have a tax expert in your corner, because if you have issues with your taxes and have to fix those, it can delay or impact your immigration case. And just be prepared. Start getting all of your tax documents around and try to get those taxes filed as early as possible, knowing that you can be ready for that request for evidence from immigration, or so you can also be ready for next phases in your immigration case. Please let us know, what are your questions about taxes and immigration. You can leave them in the comments if you're watching it here on our YouTube channel or on our Facebook page. Please let us know your questions and we will discuss them with Kim, the tax expert, on our Navigating Love and Immigration podcast. Thanks so much for watching.